All right, boys, if you follow me on other socials, you know me and some of the boys just moved into a different crib. Same building, different unit. We moved into like the top penthouse. We call it tug of wars just because it's worth it. But I wanted you guys to give you guys a quick apartment tour because I wanted to be the first one. I know our crib is dirty as shit and there's nothing in here right now, but I wanted to be the first one to post the video before anyone else did. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick apartment tour right now. So first of all, I'm just gonna get straight to it. Oh, again, I'm wearing my lucky shirt. You know what I'm saying? Last time I posted with this shirt on, got like 55,000 views. So you Argentinians, make this go viral for me. I think you guys pushed me in the algorithm. But anyways, all right, first things first. Elevators come into our crib. You come up in the elevator, you're just in our crib. So let's go this way first. You got Goomba behind the camera on a fucking hoverboard too. All right, first things first. Goomba, back up. Brez ordered some car parts. I don't know what that is, like a hood for his car. Don't mind the mess, I don't really care. Some paintings I'll never get put up. Coming into this big main room. And just like a bunch of empty space. We got a couch right there. I don't know why that's there. But there's no one above us. We're on the top floor. Kitchen.
Nasty ass kitchen.
I know, hella dirty, but it's all good.
No, we should have cleaned.
We should have cleaned, huh? Whatever, I don't really care. Let's come around this way. We can just zoom around. I'm getting hella good on these things. We got some drop shipping products.
Bro, you can't leak that.
Don't leak it?
No.
Bro, what? It doesn't matter, bro.
Yes, it does.
Some Twisted Teas. I don't know who was drinking those. Who was drinking that? All right, we come into the living room right here. As you guys can see, windows all around. We'll come into right here. We don't have a TV yet. We gotta get like a big ass TV, super nice couch.
Do a lap around the couch.
All right, bet. So I got like a table right here. And that big TV right there, and leave this kind of empty.
Oh, what's that out there?
Where? Let's go find out. Let's see if I can make it over this hump though. All right, let's see. Oh my god, bro. Wait, let's get it. Oh my.
Oh, Dobby.
Alright, as you guys can see,
Oh.
right here we got a private pool, which is pretty cool. They come, that rhymed. They come and clean this like every Friday, I believe, right?
Yeah.
Every Friday they come and clean our pool. Up here, I can't really go up there right now because I'm on a hoverboard, but we have our own hot tub up there as well. Trying to figure out how to make it hot, to be honest. This thing's like a fucking cold plunge. You like jump in here and it's freezing. So I come in here in the morning after I work out, it feels really good. Obviously important in the areas. We're in Arizona, right? So it gets way too hot. Come over here. Nice view. This at night, I'm gonna give you guys like a panoramic like view during the night. Like look how nice this is. Like the mountains over there, and then just like a big space. Come over here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, man. Come over here. We think we're gonna put like a actual like what's it called, ping pong table.
Ping pong table.
Ping pong table right here. Yo, guys, tell me Fredo doesn't look
All
like
right,
an actual Goomba. You know, give me the camera. Give me the camera. Tell me this guy doesn't look like that little brown character in Mario that you jump on to kill.
All right, bro.
So over there we got like hella just like nothing. But if you come right here, it's like a little view of the downtown. Here, just like a bunch of random like space. I don't even know what to do with this space.
Like patio furniture and
Yeah,
stuff.
I guess we'll put some patio furniture. To be honest, we'll never.
Oh god, this curb will never be completed.
Yeah, we'll never do anything. All right,
We
let's
just
see.
chill in our rooms, bro.
Yeah, I can make it
No,
over
you're
this.
not. It doesn't even fit in there, bro.
Yeah, it is.
All right, go.
That's like a little tour of the actual main living area. It's super big. We honestly like don't know what to do with all this space, but let's go check out some of the rooms. So we got, come over here.
Goomba, goomba.
We got Goomba's room. We have a guest bathroom right here. I don't know if you want to go in there. Doesn't really matter. Guest bathroom in there. Nothing crazy.
Goomba, goomba.
Goomba's room, just like messy as shit, disgusting.
Bro, like we moved in like 3 days ago, bro.
We
Relax.
moved in like 2 weeks ago.
It has not been 2
Alright, over
weeks.
here, got a nice little bathroom.
Show them my view. Oh.
Mid-ass view. Wait till you guys see my room. Anyways, bathroom. Nothing too crazy. This room is similar to one of the rooms in our old unit. Long ass hallway. We got like some random space. I don't know, like closet space, I guess. Come right here. We got laundry. That shit was broken. Like all our clothes smell like ass. They were like sitting in water. Anyways, come over here. You know, this is my bedroom. 2 doors. Come in here. Big ass room. I got the nicest room. Corner unit. This is where all the growth operating goes down right here.
How the fuck did you get the nicest room, bro? That
Daily
shit pisses
check-in.
me off.
Bro, I'm a growth operator, bro. What do you mean?
Yeah, sip that fucking iced tea.
You'd be broke without me.
Sip that iced tea, boy.
All right, anyways, that's where I get all my work done. Got a big patio out here, nothing crazy.
Yo, where's the smoothie cup?
I threw it out. But anyways, everyone's always flaming me in all my socials for having my TV on the floor. That's what you gotta do, bro. Like, that's how real men live. Same bed, same everything as last unit. Been trying to read the Bible every morning. My dad's been grilling me, trying to get me to read the Bible, so I've been started reading that. I'm like halfway through Genesis right now, so.
Oh, look at this view.
I know, view is amazing. And like, I think, honestly, my favorite part about this room is the actual bathroom. Like, you can just chill in this bathroom, listen to music, take a shower right here. 2 sinks, bathtub that I'll never use ever. And then we got two closets over here, like, come over here. We got some accessories, the rollies over there. I don't know, just like extra room. And then we have main closet right here with all, lights aren't on, but all my main clothes. We don't need to go on the balcony, but this balcony wraps all the way around and all the way around this way. Let's go into, let's see if Brez is home. I think Brez is actually in a meeting right now, so we're gonna show his room later. Maybe we'll do that at night, so we get like a little night view. And then, look at this beautiful long hallway. Me and Goomba just be zipping around on our hoverboards all day. Then right here we have some random ass space that we didn't know what to do, so we put some couches. Pretty chill. Come right here, we got Jorfor's room. Jorfor, are you in here? He's not in here, but calm little room. Nice patio. Oh, you got furniture, bro.
Yeah.
W. His closet, bathroom.
He's probably shitting right now, bro. Imagine he's just sitting there, bro.
Bathroom right here. Calm bathtub. Like, this is so weird. Like, why is there 2 sinks right here? Whoever designed this place was autistic as shit. I don't know what's wrong with them, but so many random little rooms and shit. Come right here. We got the young econ bull. Hey, this is Jacob right here. You guys will see him in some more of our videos. He's about to start up YouTube as well. He's a killer. He's good at dropshipping, right? He's a beast. Yeah, he's about to come up. Jacob's on the come up right now. You guys will see more of him soon. Small little room. And then it comes back around to the elevator. So the elevators come out both ways. Pretty nice. And then we can literally, okay, this is probably my favorite part about living here. You can literally just leave your trash right there and then it's gone. Every day at 7 p.m. your trash is just taken care of. So it's beautiful. All that stuff will be gone at 7 p.m. Me and Goomba were riding hoverboards down in the bottom of the apartment building. We were trying to go get coffee, and he was carrying a trash can with clothes in it, and he slipped in front of everyone and just smacked his back on the cement.
It was one person, bro.
Boys, if you come over here, just like some other random passageways. On TikTok and everywhere else, whenever we were posting our old crib and we were saying penthouse, everyone was like, "That's not a penthouse. There's floors above you. A penthouse is at the top." There's nothing you can say now, bro. There's nothing you can say now. Everyone's always, this is literally it. Like, this is the definition of a penthouse, isn't it?
Yo.
Like, you can't.
You won't jump in?
No, I won't. Crazy, I heard, I forgot who said this, but someone said,
Scott Hilsey.
Scott Hilsey said, yeah, right, Scott Hilsey the GOAT. But Scott Hilsey said, it does something mentally for you to be like physically higher up elevation-wise, like in a high-rise apartment. Because there's something with like vibrations and shit like that. When other people are on the same level as you, their vibrations literally like interact with yours and they interfere with yours. And when you're physically at the higher level, there's no one on your level that their vibrations can mess with you, and you can think a lot more clearly. And on top of that, when you can see further in the distance, it helps you like expand your mind. I don't know, that's some like psychological shit. But honestly, bro, it's hard to not wake up motivated here. Like, I wake up every morning, tall glass windows, like the sun's just beaming on me at 7:30 every morning. God's telling me to wake up. So I wake up and I get to work. Like I said, boys, it's an absolute blessing to be here. I couldn't even imagine being here a year ago today. This is everything I dreamed of, and it happened so fast. So it's just absolutely amazing. Stay down till you come up, learn valuable skills. And I think I'm gonna do like a little sit down clip before I end the video off. But let's give a round of applause for Goomba for giving me a nice apartment tour. Ooh, this looks good right here.
Goomba, Goomba.
All right, Goomba. Yo. All right, boys, just a little update. This is the next day I forgot to record last night. But as you guys can see, this little nighttime, not nighttime, but sunset view. We cleaned up the crib a little bit so it looks better. So so we're not complete slobs. But I just wanted to show you guys. Let's go to Brez's room really quick. I'm gonna show you guys Brez's room. Look at that sunset. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Long ass hallway. We got speed water. All right, he's in the bathroom. Perfect. All right, this is Brez's room right here. Red lights. I don't know what he was doing in here. I don't know. He has like a big ass balcony right here. Low key weird as hell. This is like, I feel like it's like should be like a pool right there or something. I don't know. Let's go over here though, Brez. So look at his room really quick. 2 square feet, and then you go to his bathroom over here, and it's like 40 million square feet. He has a fireplace. It's plenty big, bro. Bro, your bathroom is big. Like, look at this wonky ass bathroom. Fireplace right here. Goofy ass bathroom. But this is sick. This is honestly, this is probably the best like bathroom part. Look at the sunset. Oh my god. Absolutely beautiful. Shower overhead. Let me come over here. Got 2 sinks. Nice calm little vibe. And then we got I think this is a bathroom. Bro has a bathroom that, oh, wrong light. Oh, here. Oh, Brez. Yo, Brez. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. Why is he always scared? Then we got his closet right here. Is it real? Is it fake? I don't know. Nah, I'm just kidding. Brez always buys real shit. You have an extra TV mount?
No, that's the old one. There's no attachment that goes to the TV.
Alright, buddy. Alright, but that pretty much wraps it up. I wanted to give you guys a little nighttime view. Pretty calm little place, nothing too crazy. We are in Arizona, so there's nothing to flex about too much. But
Sign up for my free class next Wednesday.
oh yeah, guys, make sure to sign up for Brez's free class next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. He's gonna be breaking down a free live training exactly how he scales Brez to 6 and 7 figures at 19 years old, completely without having to spam organic TikToks and pray to go viral. So if you're a clothing brand owner,
Bro, if you put that shit in there, you are retarded. You know how many people are gonna funnel hack you?
bro, everyone knows you're my client.
Okay, but you know how many people are gonna funnel hack because of this video? You know
Bro,
how
I
many more
get funnel
people
hacked.
it's gonna
Bro, I'm him. Everyone funnel hacks me. If you guys think I don't see you funnel hacking, you're an idiot. You guys are stupid. But anyways, go sign up for his free class. He's gonna be dropping hella sauce on there. And yeah. But anyways, boys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap up the video here. It's crazy to think about how literally just a few months ago I was living with my parents, bro. And now we're here. We're running it up with the boys, having a good time, having fun doing it, making content, going viral. We got Devin behind the camera right now. Flip the camera, Devin. Devin's going up right now. He's on the come up right now. No cap. So it's fun to see all the boys come up. Let's see what we can do this next year. Our lease is about a year, so we'll be here for the next 365 days. Let's see what we can do. And if you guys want to sign up for my Telegram, it's completely free. I drop in-depth voice notes, sauce every single day. Actually, I sent like a whole YouTube video that I didn't want to post in my Telegram this morning. It was like a 10-minute video. So I drop in-depth growth operating sauce. So if you want to be part of that, follow me on Instagram, DM me. I'll send you the link. If you don't follow me, I'm not gonna DM you back. I don't know why I would DM anyone back that doesn't follow me. So if you want my Telegram, follow me, DM me. You know the deal. I'll catch you with the next one.